Hello everyone, and welcome to this informative tutorial. Today, we'll show you how you can sketch your ideas directly in GeoVisual. There are two different sketching options in GeoVisual. Draw either in 2D or 3D mode. First, let's explore 3D sketching. To enter this mode, simply click the Sketch on Landscape button located in the sidebar. Once activated, the sidebar's appearance will change. To pick up your pen and start sketching, click the Draw button and hold your left mouse key to draw. Notice how the lines you create are projected onto the landscape. For instance, I'm sketching on this house, and the lines are projected onto its roof. While sketching in 3D, everything you draw is projected onto the surface below. For enhanced mobility, press the Control key while using your mouse. This allows you to move freely without leaving the sketching mode. Adjust the line color by clicking the color selection. To erase sketches, click the Eraser button on the sidebar. If you wish to clear everything, hit the trash can icon and save yourself the trouble of erasing every line individually. Lastly, in 3D sketch mode, you can add text labels. Select Place Text to position a label as you would any other object. In the Label-specific menu, you can customize the text. Adjust its size. Add a background for more clarity. Display geospatial coordinates. Modify its color. And delete it again. To exit the 3D sketch tool, use the back button. Moving on to the 2D sketch tool. Before entering 2D sketch mode, move to where you want to sketch, as you won't be able to change position once you're in this mode. Click the Sketch Mode button. This temporarily provides a 2D screenshot for you to draw on. Hit Draw to pick up your pen and start sketching by clicking and holding your left mouse key. Similar to the 3D mode, change line colors by clicking the color selection. To erase, click the Eraser button on the sidebar. To clear your work, hit the trash can icon. You can also add text in 2D mode. Click the Text button, drag the text field to your desired location, and start typing. Remove the text box by deleting the text again. To clear your work, hit the trash can icon. Save your drawing and text by clicking the camera button. This opens the Windows Explorer for naming and saving your work. Exit the 2D sketch mode by using the back button. If you haven't exported your sketch to your computer, a warning will appear, as your drawing will be lost when you return to 3D space. Now you're familiar with the two sketch modes in GeoVisual. They offer a quick way to illustrate ideas or take notes while communicating with clients. See you again soon, and happy visualizing!